November, one of the biggest months for beards in general. We have a lot of guys that are growing out their first conscious or caring beard, not like I forgot to shave on vacation, kind of like the lazier side of growing a beard, but purposely saying, I'm gonna grow this out and I'm gonna do the best I can to make it look good, feel good, smell good. And then on the same kind of note, we have a lot of guys that decide, hey, I've had facial hair, but I wanna get serious about caring and grooming for it. And that's where we are right here. I want to make a video going over the expectations of a new beard, because if you're just getting into this, you might not know what to expect. And I think I have some really interesting points for you guys. If that sounds good, quick thumbs up, the like button on the video, quick introduction. My name's Dancy Bearded. This channel is for you. It is all about beard care, beard science, beard anything. If that sounds good to you and you're not already, consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. It's absolutely free. I don't charge for content on this channel, so check that out. If you are a subscriber, thank you guys so much. I'm gonna lean on you in this video in the comments to give your perspective, your add-ons, your experience, and if you have any questions, of course. But you guys really help out these new beardsmen a lot, likely way more than you realize, with a singular comment and the impact that that could have. So let's get into expectations. Actually, first, it is the last chance for Grow-Vember, and just a quick little note on this. As of this video dropping, me and my family are in Florida. So if you order, Sam, my wife, literally makes all of these. She ships them out to the shipping carriers herself. So we will have a little delay at the end of November, but it's in Etsy. It's mom and pop. You guys know how that goes. There'll probably be a note on her website just to give you a little bit of patience, heads up. But the deal with Grow-Vember is every November, we do a shirt that's like a collectible in a different design. This is this year's shirt. This is the back. You can get the front on the pocket logo or on the sleeve if you'd like, because we don't want to mess up the good looking beard. And essentially we pick a cause to give 100% of the proceeds towards. And this year it's the Genesee County Humane Society to go help out some animals. I'm not going to talk about it any longer than that. Thank you to those that are repping this. Thank you to those that are helping out the Humane Society. Boom, one last chance. The day November ends, this design, this collectible is gone forever. No FOMO. Again, I don't even make money on this, so no FOMO there, but I just want to make sure we are crystal clear, because every year I have people message can I get that? It's just in Grow-Vember. So shout out to you guys. All right, expectations. I'm going to go in a couple of different directions here, but I want to make sure you guys are covered on what you should expect. First thing is, you're going to want to buy and try everything. You're gonna get introduced to this beautiful world of beard products, and I do mean that with passion. There's different viscosities of oils, there's different butters, the smells, the companies, the stories. There's so many things that can be overwhelming, and it can be a little bit addicting, to be fully honest. Now, if you're somebody that's financially doing very well, you are in a place where you have a lot of expendable income and you're gonna treat it as a hobby or as a collection, right? Some people do golf or cigars or fine bourbons or motorcycles. All of those are expensive hobbies. This is much better for the expensive side. If you can do that, rock on, go crazy, support great companies that are small batch, made in USA, support with affiliates, channels like this and many other helpful ones out there. That's awesome. Now, if you're someone that's putting yourself in kind of a bad position, right? If you're gonna have the wife getting on you about spending money, or just you're like, I shouldn't do this, I highly, and have for a long time, recommend samples. If it's possible, not all companies have them, but if it's possible, samples. Samples allow you to see what type of scents you like that might surprise you. Oh, I didn't realize I like a floral cologne. Wow, I didn't realize I like an earthy scent. And it gives you that ability to try them. Also, you can try the oil, the products from the company at a relatively kind of protected cost. That's a big way. Outside of samples, another one that just kind of dawned on me is there are a lot of companies that have money-back guarantees or satisfaction guarantees, especially for new customers or first-time customers. So take advantage of that, not in a negative way, not in a bad way, but go try the company. If you're satisfied, awesome. If you're not, they have those policies for a reason. So something to consider there. A sample pack that I have always and genuinely recommend is actually from our sponsor today, and that is Weatherbeard. This is their sample pack right here, you guys. It is in this really cool tin, the Beard Survival Kit. It has 8 full-size samples in here. You can see what these bad boys look like. Now this is, I believe, a 5 mil. So with these ones, 30 mil is normally a full oil. So this is a 5 instead of a 30. For me, this gives me at least 2 full uses with my huge beard. Many of you watching right now, it's going to be 4 to 5 uses. So just something to consider checking that out. Weatherbeard is an unbelievable company, you guys, owned by Corey and Hannah right here in USA. They're coming up on like 10 years in business and have naturally and slowly continued to grow and improve their company in all the best ways. They have one of the smoothest and most nourishing butters in the game. I could go on and on. Give them a look. Highly recommend their sample kit. Go try some great scents. I do have a collab with them, a couple, but Arctic Command's one of my favorites. So shout out to Weatherbeard. They are an affiliate, of course. I'll put up over here if I can remember. DanC10 is your affiliate discount code. As always, save you guys some money, support the platform, support a great company. Shout out to Weatherbeard. So for real though, samples, safe way to go. All right, other expectations with the beard. Prepare yourself for the beard nod. Yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you know how like Jeeps have a symbol to other Jeeps? Well, bearded men, we have a symbol for other bearded men, and it's the beard nod. Just a little acknowledgement. If you want to throw a little cherry on the top, say great beard man, you get a Golden Star bonus ticket award of the day. But it is the thing. You have an instant camaraderie. When you care for your beard, you understand what it's like, and I don't even know how to describe it, but prepare for that beard nod. Another thing to prepare for is your first beard, your first time growing, is likely not going to be a fairy tale beard right off the bat. There are some genetic freaks out there that are exceptions and have like unbelievable beards, even if they don't know much about caring for it. But most of us are a little disappointed the first time we grow. Most of us are comparing yourself to me, where I've been taking care of my beard for 10 plus years now. Your beard will get better as you literally grow it longer. Your beard will get better as you learn your preferences of styling and products. Your beard will get better as you learn what products to use and what products work the best for you and your climate and your situation. It will get better. I promise you that. I don't know a beard that in its first 3 months was not better a year, 2, 3 years later. It's just like anything else in life. You learn it and it improves. So please understand those expectations, and I promise you, with dealing with tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of beards, it will get better. Another thing to look forward to and kind of expect is you're gonna get healthier in most ways. You're gonna find yourself drinking more water. I got my water always at an arm length reach. You're gonna start looking at ingredients in your deodorant and your body wash. You're gonna think about what you eat. You might even think about your exercise. And a lot of you are like, no, Dan, I'm not interested in that. I don't know what that accent was, but I'm not doing that. Okay. Remember I said that. Remember to expect it. As you get into beard products and what's natural and what's good, it just permeates into other areas of your life, and that's such a cool bonus. Now, to get down to like the actual expectations statistically, you can expect to have a 1/2 inch of beard growth a month. 1/2 inch is average. Some people are more than that, like myself. Some people are less than that. But that's about where you're gonna be. Now, there also is a thing called the law of proportionality, meaning when you first start growing and you have nothing, a 1/2 inch of growth is very noticeable. For me, you probably wouldn't even know if I had a 1/2 inch of growth or loss. You just don't notice it as much. So as your beard grows, you're gonna feel like it's slowing down. You're gonna feel like it's not growing as much. Take pictures. Weekly or monthly pictures are a great reminder to show yourself how far you've come. That is something that can really ease your mind, help out your beard, because stress is a vicious cycle and it's just simply not good for the beard. Beyond that, I want to hear from you guys. What should somebody expect on their very first beard journey of growing it and or taking care of it? Add in anything, anywhere you want to go. I'll respond to every single comment. I'll answer every single question in the best way that I can. But enjoy it, you guys. I hope we have some members of the community that are new with this No Shave November. Just a quick little throw out there. I am live every Monday and Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern. Join it. It's so fun. The vibes are immaculate. We do giveaways on every single live stream. I also have an amazing Facebook group that's like almost 8,000 active members. Very positive, zero drama, zero arguments. It's the opposite of most of Facebook. It's free. There's a link in the description. We always have giveaways going on there as well, just to say thank you and give back to the community. You guys are amazing. I'm DanC Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.